Hello everybody, my name is Farrell Parker. For those who know me, I'm originated from Freeport, Bahamas. I moved here in the St. Louis and East St. Louis area 20 years ago. All of my family still reside in the Bahamas. As you know, the Bahamas was destroyed by Hurricane Dorian and they are now barking on another tropical storm. I'm asking for you and your help to send aid to my family and other family. Still, you're in desperate need. Please contribute out to my GoFundMe page, Freeport, Bahamas, Hurricane Support, as well as sharing this with your social media friends. Thank you and God bless.